but it looks like the hogs are just suddenly starting to perk up a little bit here in the last hour.
That's saying something for hogs, because it has been just a slow bleed and a grind lower for the last month and a half, and we're starting to get a little bit of reprieve. We made new contract lows yesterday in that July contract, and it looks like we're starting to see a little bit of buying interest come in. But what we really need to see is a conviction close back above psychologically significant $50 handle. If we can do that, I think that's where you start to spur additional short covering. And that'll be the sign that maybe the water's warm, and maybe momentum traders and bottom pickers can maybe step in looking for value. So I think there is probably longer-term value on the lean hogs here in the very near term. As far as the livestock goes, the cattle goes, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit more downward pressure. You talked about cash coming in around 102, and I wouldn't be surprised to see that continue to soften up here over the coming weeks. And we've been in a tight range over the last. Well, this is the third session that we've kind of tightened up and coiled up, because a lot of market participants are just kind of sitting on their hands waiting to initiate these positions until after we get tomorrow's cattle on feed report. So not a whole lot of volatility. A lot of people just sitting on their hands waiting to see what that report shows, and maybe look at initiating something next week.
I'm glad you brought that up. Yes, the cattle on feed report comes up tomorrow after the close before the weekend. Thank you, Oliver. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures joining us with a look at our markets right before the close.